We understand that life is about continual change. We measure our actions by responding to the future. We listen to our customers intently. We went back to the drawing board to ensure we could continue to meet the evolving needs of our diverse client base. The diversity of the type of food we eat and our dining experiences are evolving. For the very best in fast, energy-efficient washing, the A-Type Premium range offers outstanding performance. The Washtech A-Type models are designed for high performance and ideally suited to a busy restaurant, international hotels, fast-paced bar service and many more. The Premium range and the M2 model incorporate a durable 316 grade stainless steel rinse boiler that can easily withstand corrosive water conditions. To ensure ongoing productivity, controls need to be simple to understand and intuitive to use. A new spring-assisted drop-down door provides the busy operator with a smooth, soft, fluid opening and closing of the door. We have our 521 warranty. You'll have the support when and where you need it.